So here we have an African American buruhula bird from New Jersey. So it's an African American buruhula bird. And just a second ago, a while back, there was a bunch of red, like, you see them? Little red, like, bugs on them. Those are African American buruhula bird bugs. And what they do is they regenerate the buruhula bird. So that's why it's so elusive and illustrious, because they can never find the fossils, because those red buruhula bird bugs, what they do is regenerate the bird. It recocoons, that's the word, recocoons, and flies back into the atmosphere.